Today, I will be teaching you how to green screen on Premiere Pro. First things first, grab your green screened image. I have 4 different images selected here. I'm going to grab one of them, bring it over to the timeline. Let's put that on V2. Then grab the image you would like on the background. I have an image of the American flag. Put that underneath it. Then you'll go over to your Effects tab, go to Video Effects, find Keying, and grab Ultra Key. It will be the last one on there. Place that on the image that is green screened. Then go over to your effect controls, and you might need to size it a little bit. Bring it over to what you would like for your image. You see down here you have Ultra Key in your effect controls. Select the color selector. Bring that over to your image. Click the green part. Everything behind there will go black. That is normal. Select your image. Go to Effect Controls, and you just scale it into the image you would like to see. Let's bring that up there behind him, and there we go. We have a perfect image of a colleague in front of the American flag. Go to File, save your image, and have fun.